How to fix Windows apps grayed out in Start menu in Windows 11. To fix Windows apps grayed out in Start menu in Windows 11, try 1. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. 2. Repair or reset the Microsoft Store app. 3. Remove, using the recommended. Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall the problematic app. 4. Update your graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Re-register Windows Store by running the command below on your PC, as admin. Get apps package for each apps package. Disable development mode register.